It is a beautiful afternoon here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Grace. I do content based on my lifestyle, yes? So that's what I usually share with my viewers. So today's episode, it's about how I managed to fix my damaged washing machine. And before I continue, I would like to tell those who've been wondering why I've taken too long to upload a video is I've been busy with some other urgent activities that kept me from posting a video. So here I am today with another video. I hope you are going to enjoy the video and you will be inspired. At the same time, you will learn things that you didn't know. Yes, and for those who know, good for you. Yeah, so this episode, it's all about fixing my damaged machine. So I have a washing machine that has served us for a period of 7 years. It has been working so well until one day it started producing some weird sound, The machine was vibrating so hard, the sound was so excessive, and I could see the what is it called? The drum wobbling, So I had to call some technician to come and find out what was the problem. So when they came, they did the diagnostic, and before then they had to open the entire machine. Yes, and remove parts one by one to find out what was the problem. So the main culprit here was the bearing was completely worn out. And that's why it was vibrating so hard and producing weird sound. You see, bearing is an important component of the machine that assists the drum to rotate smoothly, So when it is worn out, it cannot function properly. So that was the number one culprit. Number two culprit was the shock absorbers were also worn out, but they are not badly off like the bearing. And the third thing that they told me that I need to change as soon as possible when I get money is the pump, So they found that the three items were not in good condition: the bearing, which was completely worn out, the shock absorbers that I need to change as soon as possible, and the pump. So that's why my machine was not working properly. So they did the process of diagnostic, repairing, that is by replacing the new bearing. So I'll take you through the process. Just relax, sit back and enjoy the video. To my new subscribers, thank you for coming. Let's grow together. To the returning subscribers, I always say thank you so much for the good work that you're doing. Remember to like the video and give comments below. Let's carry on. These are some of the parts that have been removed. As you can see, disassembling is still going on. So it's trying to open this part where the drum is located. point, the technician was removing the washing machine motor. So this is how it looks like. Remember, the motor is important because it's used for powering the agitator and the drum. I'm sure you are able to see some white deposits on the surface of the drum. Those are the residues of the salt. We do not have fresh water where I reside, so we usually have salty water. So one of the reasons why the bearing of this machine was damaged was it was corroded by the salt deposits. The corrosion that was caused by the salt affected the normal functioning of the bearing, and it was completely ruined. And due to that, the machine was vibrating so hard with excessive noise. The next thing that they carried out was to wash the drum. As you can see, they're washing the drum and the cover. This was done to remove the salt residues or the deposits. Just have a look. He was scrubbing out the deposits of salt. This is the rubber gasket that is being cleaned now. The next thing after cleaning was to assemble the drum. Ready to be fixed back. So here the technicians were assembling the drum. It was so sparkling. So assembling process is going on now. They managed to replace the bearing, a new one for that matter. So all that you are seeing now is assembling parts back to their positions. The motor is very important because it powers the agitator and the drum. So that helps the drum to spin. It was now time for me to use the machine and do some observation so that I could give them a feedback. I must say the outcome was good. The machine was functioning normally and the excessive noise and vibration completely disappeared. So I'm so grateful for the good work the technician did.